Best Adventure Motorcycles 2025, Triumph Scrambler 1200XE. In 2025, the Triumph Scrambler 1200XE stands out as one of the best adventure motorcycles, combining classic scrambler styling with modern performance and off-road capability. Known for its rugged versatility and iconic design, the Scrambler 1200XE is a top choice for riders seeking a motorcycle that excels both on paved roads and challenging terrains. The 2025 Triumph Scrambler 1200XE is powered by a 1,200 cubic centimeters height torque parallel twin engine that produces a strong and smooth power delivery, making it perfect for a wide range of riding scenarios. Whether navigating twisty mountain roads or tackling dirt trails, the Scrambler 1200XE's engine provides ample torque across the rev range, offering a responsive and engaging ride. For 2025, Triumph has refined the engine for improved efficiency and lower emissions, allowing riders to enjoy longer journeys with fewer stops. One of the key highlights of the 2025 Scrambler 1200XE is its advanced suspension setup. Featuring fully adjustable long-travel Showa front forks and Aleen's twin shocks at the rear, the bike is capable of soaking up rough terrain while maintaining excellent handling and comfort. This setup, along with its 21-inch front wheel and dual sport tires, allows the Scrambler 1200XE to perform admirably off-road, while still delivering a smooth ride on asphalt. The Scrambler 1200XE is equipped with a full suite of modern rider aids, including cornering ABS, traction control, and multiple riding modes that can be easily adjusted via the bike's intuitive TFT display. This display also offers Bluetooth connectivity, enabling smartphone integration for navigation, calls, and music, ensuring riders stay connected and informed during their adventures. Designed with the rider's comfort in mind, the Scrambler 1200XE features a comfortable seat, high handlebars, and an upright riding position that makes it suitable for long-distance touring and off-road excursions alike. The bike's rugged design, complete with high-mounted exhausts and skid plates, not only adds to its classic scrambler appeal but also provides practical protection in off-road conditions. With its blend of iconic style, advanced technology, and impressive off-road capabilities, the Triumph Scrambler 1200XE continues to be a standout in the adventure motorcycle market in 2025, appealing to riders who want a versatile bike that can handle any adventure with style and confidence.